Why Me? A Beautiful Message. By Arthur Ashe. The legendary Wimbledon player who was dying of AIDS, which he got due to infected blood he received during a heart surgery in 1983. During his illness, he received letters from his fans, one of which conveyed, "Why did God have to select you for such a bad disease?" To this Arthur Ashe replied, 50 million children started playing tennis. 5 million learned to play tennis. 500,000 learned professional tennis. 50,000 came to circuit. 5,000 reached Grand Slam. 50 reached Wimbledon. 4 reached the semifinals. 2 reached the finals, and when I was holding the cup in my hand, I never asked God, "Why me?" So now that I'm in pain, how can I ask God? Why me? Happiness keeps you sweet. Trials keep you strong. Sorrows keep you human. Failure keeps you humble. Success keeps you glowing. But only faith keeps you going. Sometimes you are not satisfied with your life, while many people in this world are dreaming of living your life. A child on a farm sees a plane fly overhead, dreams of flying, while a pilot on the plane sees the farmhouse and dreams of returning home. That's life. Enjoy yours. If wealth is the secret to happiness, then the rich should be dancing on the streets. But only poor kids do that. If power ensures security, then VIPs should walk unguarded. But those who live simply, sleep soundly. If beauty and fame bring ideal relationships, then celebrities should have the best marriages. Live simply, be happy. Walk humbly and love genuinely. Why me? A beautiful message not just to read and forward but to apply practically in our personal life.